Laundry on the go. Tiny washers that punch way above their weight. First, Auertech portable twin-tub washing machine, approximate $151.90. With separate wash and spin tubs and roughly a 28 pounds capacity, the Auertech twin tub handles small loads efficiently. Use the wash tub for soapy cleaning and a spin tub to extract water fast. Less drying time and more convenience for apartments, RVs, or student housing. It's economical, easy to move, and built for compact living. Second, portable upgraded washing machine for apartments, approximate $121.80. Designed for small homes, this compact washer packs features like a built-in drain pump and space-saving footprint. It manages delicates and everyday loads without complicated hookups, letting you run a cycle right in your kitchen or balcony. If apartment laundry is your challenge, this model makes life easier with gentle but efficient cleaning. Third, Black Plus Decker BPWM09W Portable Washer, approximate $263.50. Want a fully automatic mini washer with proven brand backing? Black Plus Decker's compact 0.9 cubic feet unit offers automatic cycles, user-friendly controls, and solid cleaning performance. It's ideal for small households who want the convenience of a full wash cycle without a full-size machine. Plug in, choose a program, and go. Fourth, Giantex portable twin tub washer, approximate $152.20. The Giantex twin tub is a practical semi-automatic option for cramped spaces. Wash and spin tubs let you control each step while saving water and energy. Lightweight and portable, it's great for quick loads, camping, or places where a traditional washer won't fit. Simple controls deliver dependable cleaning with minimal fuss. Fifth, Elevon portable washing machine, approximate $132.00. Compact, efficient, and dorm-friendly, the Elevon mini washer handles small loads and delicate items with ease. Its small footprint and straightforward controls make it ideal for students, singles, or anyone who needs occasional washing without a laundry room. Quick cycles and easy draining